You spoke some words you never mean, cheated on integrity, a corner you have never been. We all depend on second chances, never fix something in the first try. Think nobody did, we are no superheroes. I'm on the world's rooftop screaming money ain't a thing. Life is a recession, but you're an angel's twin. Wander with me. When silence falls, your smoky eyes make me wanna touch. You're dangerous. Sometimes I do believe you want it all, but then you don't. You say when darkness falls, the night belongs to strangers, but I don't believe you believe in that, 'cause we both know the night belongs to us. Yeah, we both know the night belongs to us. Whoa. You spoke some words you never mean, cheated on integrity, a corner you have never been. We all depend on second chances, never fix something in the first try. Think nobody did, we are no superheroes. I'm on the world's rooftop screaming money ain't a thing. Life is a recession, but you're an angel's twin. Wander with me. When silence falls, your smoky eyes make me wanna touch. You're dangerous. Sometimes I do believe you want it all, but then you don't. You say when darkness falls, the night belongs to strangers, but I don't believe you believe in that, 'cause we both know the night belongs. When silence falls, your smoky eyes make me wanna touch. You're dangerous. Sometimes I do believe you want it all, but then you don't. You say when darkness falls, the night belongs to strangers, but I don't believe you believe in that, 'cause we both know the night belongs to us. Yeah, we both know the night belongs to us. Yeah, we both know the night belongs to. Hey, have you ever had a feeling that you really couldn't care? That you would tear up a feeling that isn't really there? Well, you found me, dude. 'Cause I feel like that some days, and some days just make me mad, 'cause every hour is the same. MTV cancel the tape below, that ashtrays on the desk. Hell nah, I ain't cleaning that. I'm off the bed, and the first thing you do when you wake up is probably makeup. 'Cause your girl left crying, but you couldn't even care. Knock, knock, but nobody there, and you a little bit scared because you underprepared. But you got the keys to the back door, you're slipping through. Your heart is saying stop, but you just couldn't do. And now you find yourself walking on the stairway, and stairway to heaven is what some say. But you caught her messing around with another dude, and that shit just fucked up your mood. But you just keep playing was all so simple. The thoughts of a little boy in the wild jungle. And branches I had to swing from to get to the princess captured in the kingdom. But nowadays ain't so different. I'm still a king and you were still my princess, since it was unavoidable to H in this living. I suggest we live easy, feel me, and I don't go living a fast life. Death will catch up in a while, so just chill, alright? And money ain't a thing, but my honey gots to be treating right. So I buy a lot of goodies just to keep her satisfied. But no, I am not that corny, and tear me apart if I ever get so lonely. And free the monkey from the cage, man, before turning into caveman. You just keep playing songs to make you feel better through the dying day, through the stormy weather. And when you feel alright, you play that song that you created, so that she would feel a little appreciated. You just keep playing songs to make you feel better through the dying day, through the stormy weathers. And when you feel alright, you play that song that you created, so that she would feel a little appreciated, so that she would feel a little appreciated. As the track disappeared on the horizon, and the train puts his efforts in the chase, we would sit on the old bridge and watch it while the lumen is slipping away. I held you close, my dear, and you shivered. The appearance so pretty but shy. I threw a rock on the roof of the train, and we watched it disappear through the night. And although my fingertips were freezing, I still wrote a name in the sand. This is a different generation. I don't think you understand. I don't want her, just want her love. I don't want her, just want her love. I've been traveling a lot, man, lately. Busy on my mind, man, crazy. I never really thought that time could save me, and I just had to get away, so I went. I never ever wanted to leave home so bad, but she couldn't understand now. She just rushed back into the chokehold of her demands, and I was thinking, damn, do we really have to go through all of this again, again, again? And although my fingertips were freezing, I still wrote a name in the sand. This is a different generation. I don't think you'd understand. I don't want her, just want her love. I don't want her, just want her love. Yeah. Although my fingertips were freezing, I still wrote a name in the sand. This is a different generation. I don't think you'd understand. I don't want her, just want her love. Yeah. I don't want her, just want her love. For now. Somebody told me everything is not as it seems. The streets that you walk on look different in your dreams, and finding a goal that you're dying to achieve is the only goal that I had as a teen. And let me tell you something, what you probably won't believe, man, you would understand, I swear. Hand me a bar of gold and I leave it there. Give me a girlfriend, a guitar, and a Volvo from the 60s, and you will never ever see me ever again. And I'm just saying how I feel, man. Just let me dream away. I think this tune is for the ignorant who have always been too afraid to dream away, to dream away. Who have always been too afraid to dream away, to dream away, to dream away, to dream away. I guess this is what they call the spring manifestation, and I can see the joy in people's faces. And as the daytime expands, I remember the days we left so hard in the hours of December. But you don't see the point, man, none of you do. My friends are playing ball in the park during noon, and I keep sneaking in my room like a fool. And yeah, I drank too much last night, I just couldn't resist the alcohol. And the weed seemed so cool, but now it's just cruel, man, so cruel. And I'm sitting there drinking beer, thinking by myself, and I'm sipping through the fear. And the beer just might help, and just leave me alone, man. I need some time to think it over. Victory is great, but disappointment can kill a soldier. And you don't understand, you probably never ever ever see me again. And I'm just saying how I feel, I'm just saying how I feel, man. Just let me dream away. I think this tune is for the ignorant who have always been too afraid to dream away, to dream away. Who have always been too afraid to dream away, to dream away, to dream away, to dream away. I'm just saying how I feel, man. Just let me dream away. I think this tune is for the ignorant who have always been too afraid to dream away, to dream away. Who have always been too afraid to dream away, to dream away, to dream away, to dream away. To dream away. To dream away. To dream away. Lieve mensen, ik heb even iets van jullie nodig. We gaan even proberen met z'n allen voor Noardewyn even iets heel moois te maken. Ik zou graag willen dat jullie allemaal meezingen op dit moment. Yeah, let's go.
You are now tuning in.
Check him, yo,
Let's do it.
check him, yo, ik voel me de koning op deze. Is dat niet maf, Kees? Veroorde boer op een koffer zodra ik het kaf lees. Vraag het beste van me en je ziet wat je krijgt. Jullie zijn app en ik ben invloedrijk. Zie, dit is wat je van je ding doet. Krijg juist best bewaren geheime lyrics die er liggen in zijn kluis. Ik wikkel elke dag, al is het wel niet genoodzaakt. Dit is voor de birds, je moet weten dat ik brood praat. Ze zeggen ik leraar, maak ik van docent. Geef een volle honden wanneer je naar deze procent. Kom niet met je nonsens, denken dat je ons kent. Verkoop je eens maar lekker voor de contest, yes. En fuck met old school.
Baby, kom eens hier en dans met mij, want de nacht met mij ga jij niet vergeten. Ik moest het weten toen ik jou zag staan. Ben je Antilliaans of Surinaams, Malukaans? Of ben je Afrikaans? Spreek je Spaans, mamacita? Dan kom eens straks. Doe bem, Guatemala. Komt daarbij, of zeg ik dan voor Waka? Kom maar dichterbij, want je hebt mijn aandacht. En het is nu tijd dat je met me danst.
Oh damn, so high, telecom, ik ben de bom. We doen hem in een scoutclub, gaan we voelen hem met clubmascotten. Alles poppen, bedjes pakken, met z'n allen. In de bossen op zoek naar jullie, kan soms zeggen op te vangen. Yeah, en we doen het fucking man. RB skinny nigga, jullie weten wie ik ben. Freestyle uit mijn hoofd, je meisje die me kent. RB skinny nigga en weet dat ik haar fan ben. Yeah.
Shout out naar de band.
Breng die informatie als een encyclopedie. Breng die comedy. Stoot meteen. Wie de fuck ligt die nou op de grond of fucking steen? Ik struikelde, kwam met de grond op de kom. Vele mensen keken, dat was breakdance hoor. Nu eventjes verder, de beat die gaat lekker. Ben nu niet te temmen, want ik ben geen dier.
Competitie is begonnen, ben weer terug op mijn plekje. Vertrouwd als van oud, maar dit keer next level. De voorbereiding verliep soepel tot het einde. En nu ben ik begonnen, want ik ben geen kleintje. Kevin Bliss die is er, de studio gaat doop. Want ik ben met mijn neven, je weet dat ik loop. En ik van de kroon, je weet het, ik ben met mijn neven. Eurandieler entertainment en ik ga het delen.
Ik kom binnen met die super duper killer flow. Het niveau met stijgende lijnen, ja we gaan omhoog. Want het is vaker zo, ik punch je het hitmonie. Wie geeft je die informatie met een encyclopedie? Oh my god, bitches kunnen niet komen bij dit, bitch.
No, want ik zit vast aan haar. En dat
Gang gang.
Net lekker in.
Check ons op YouTube en zo, Facebook, www.rbxba. Shout out naar